What if living a longer, healthier life has less to do with good luck and more to do with the choices you make every day? Many people believe aging automatically means becoming weaker, less active, and more dependent. While aging does bring natural changes, research continues to show that lifestyle habits play a major role in determining how well we age. The decisions you make about nutrition, exercise, sleep, stress, and daily routines can influence not only how long you live, but also how healthy and active you remain during those years. The exciting part is that even small changes can create meaningful benefits over time. It's never too early or too late to start building habits that support a healthier future. Focus on daily movement. One of the most powerful lifestyle changes you can make is committing to regular physical activity. The body is designed to move, and staying active helps support nearly every system in the body. Walking, cycling, swimming, gardening, and other forms of movement can strengthen the heart, improve circulation, support joint health, and help maintain a healthy weight. Regular activity also contributes to better mood, improved balance, and greater independence as you age. Build and maintain muscle strength. Muscle naturally declines with age, but this process can be slowed significantly through strength training. Maintaining muscle mass supports mobility, balance, metabolism, and overall physical function. Simple exercises using body weight, resistance bands, or light weights can help preserve strength. Strong muscles make everyday activities easier and reduce the risk of falls and injuries. Prioritize nutritious foods. The foods you eat provide the building blocks your body uses to repair, recover, and function properly. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, nuts, seeds, and healthy fat supplies important nutrients that support healthy aging. Rather than focusing on strict diets, aim to build balanced meals that provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. Consistent healthy eating habits can support long-term wellness. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Water is essential for digestion, circulation, temperature regulation, joint health, and countless other bodily functions. Unfortunately, many adults do not drink enough fluids, especially as they get older. Staying hydrated can help maintain energy levels, support cognitive function, and reduce the risk of issues related to dehydration. Developing a habit of drinking water regularly throughout the day is a simple but valuable step toward healthier aging. Make sleep a priority. Quality sleep is one of the most overlooked factors in healthy aging. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, regulates hormones, strengthens the immune system, and processes memories. Poor sleep can affect energy, mood, concentration, and physical health. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can improve sleep quality and support overall well-being. Protect your heart health. Heart health becomes increasingly important with age. Daily habits such as staying active, eating nutritious foods, maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and avoiding smoking can all support cardiovascular health. Regular medical checkups and monitoring important health markers, such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels, can also help identify potential concerns before they become serious. Manage stress in healthy ways. Stress is a normal part of life, but chronic stress can affect both physical and mental health. Long-term stress may contribute to sleep problems, high blood pressure, weaken immunity, and reduce quality of life. Healthy coping strategies such as exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, and connecting with loved ones can help reduce stress and support emotional well-being. Keep your mind active. The brain benefits from regular challenges just like the body benefits from exercise. Learning new skills, reading, solving puzzles, taking classes, and exploring new interests can help keep the mind engaged. Mental stimulation supports cognitive function and encourages lifelong growth. Staying curious and continuing to learn can be rewarding at any age. Maintain strong social connections. Human connection is an important part of healthy aging. Spending time with family, friends, neighbors, and community groups provides emotional support and helps reduce feelings of loneliness. Strong social relationships have been associated with better mental health, improved resilience, and greater overall life satisfaction. Staying connected can positively influence both emotional and physical well-being. Limit sedentary time. Even if you exercise regularly, spending long periods sitting can negatively affect health. Extended inactivity may impact circulation, metabolism, and overall physical function. Taking short movement breaks throughout the day can help counteract these effects. Standing, stretching, or walking for a few minutes every hour can make a meaningful difference. Protect your bones and joints. Healthy bones and joints play a crucial role in maintaining mobility and independence. Weight-bearing activities, strength training, proper nutrition, and adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D can support bone health. Staying active also helps maintain joint flexibility and reduces stiffness, making daily movement easier and more comfortable. Avoid harmful habits. Certain habits can accelerate the aging process and increase the risk of chronic disease. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and consistently poor dietary choices can place significant stress on the body. Replacing harmful habits with healthier alternatives can produce substantial benefits. Even later in life, positive changes often lead to improvements in energy, mobility, and overall health. Stay consistent with preventive health care. Regular health screenings and medical checkups allow potential problems to be identified early. Many health conditions develop gradually and may not cause symptoms until they become more serious. Preventive care helps you stay informed about your health and provides opportunities to address concerns before they significantly affect your quality of life. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight can increase strain on the joints, heart, and other organs. Maintaining a healthy weight through balanced nutrition and regular physical activity supports overall health and mobility. The goal isn't perfection, but creating sustainable habits that help support long-term well-being. Find a sense of purpose. People who age successfully often have meaningful goals and activities that keep them engaged with life. Purpose can come from volunteering, hobbies, family relationships, learning opportunities, travel, or community involvement. Having something to look forward to each day can improve motivation, emotional health, and overall life satisfaction. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. A positive outlook doesn't eliminate life's challenges, but can influence how those challenges are handled. Practicing gratitude and focusing on positive aspects of life may help reduce stress and improve emotional resilience. Simple habits, such as reflecting on things you're thankful for, can contribute to greater happiness and overall well-being. Small changes create lasting results. One of the most important things to remember about healthy aging is that major improvements often begin with small actions. You don't need to transform your entire lifestyle overnight. Walking a little more, eating one healthier meal, getting an extra hour of sleep, or spending time with friends may seem minor, but these habits build upon one another over time. Consistency is often more powerful than perfection. It's never too late to start. Many people believe they missed their opportunity to improve their health because they didn't start earlier. The truth is that the body can benefit from positive lifestyle changes at almost any age. Whether you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, or beyond, healthier habits can improve strength, energy, mobility, and overall quality of life. Every positive choice is a step toward a healthier future. Final thoughts. Aging is inevitable, but how you age is influenced by the choices you make each day. Staying physically active, maintaining muscle strength, eating nutritious foods, staying hydrated, prioritizing sleep, protecting heart health, managing stress, keeping your mind engaged, maintaining social connections, and practicing preventive health care can all contribute to a longer and healthier life. These lifestyle changes may seem simple, but together they create a powerful foundation for healthy aging. The goal isn't just to add years to your life, but to add life to your years, allowing you to remain active, independent, and fulfilled for as long as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health, wellness, and healthy aging tips that can help you live longer, feel better, and enjoy life to the fullest.